In this video, I want to take the time and explain all the buttons on your Philips Universal Remote Control, what every one of these is actually doing. So let's get started. We'll start with the top and we'll go towards the lower portion of the remote, these buttons. The input button will help you select on your TV between HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3 and other inputs that you have connected in the back, this button over here. Then we have TV, STR, AOD, DVD, CBL and AUX. These are the different devices that your remote control is able to control. This particular model is able to have 6 different devices at the same time. So if you want to control your TV, you're going to press TV. If you want to control your streaming device, like a Roku stick, for example, or maybe a Fire Stick, you're going to press STR. You have AUD. This is in case you have a soundbar or a home theater. In that case, by pressing this, you'll be able to control that device. Then you have DVD for a DVD player, also works with some VCRs. Then we have CBL, which is for cable box. And finally, we have AUX, which is for everything else. For example, this remote control is able to control some projectors as well. Let's continue. Then we have the menu button that will launch the menu of your TV. The button on the right side over here, the 3 lines button, is the info option button. So it displays on-screen shows, content information. Not every TV will be compatible with this button, but it's there. Over here we have the exit button. If you want to exit certain menus, by clicking it, it can also act as a back button. We have the home button, which will bring you home on the home menu of your TV. We have stream right over here, which will access the top apps like Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and more. Depending on your TV, again, it will launch one of these apps. Over here we have the play, pause button, fast forward, record, stop button. These will really depend what you're currently watching. So if you're streaming a movie, you'll be able to play pause. Some TVs allows you to record. So by pressing the record button, you'll be able to do so as well. Over here, we have the eject button. This is only if you're currently controlling a DVD player. It will eject the DVD, the disc, if you press this button. We have the setup button right over here on the left side. This is only used to program to set up this remote control and not to control your TV. Over here we have the up, down, left, right and OK. It's obviously to go through the menus of your TV depending what you're trying to control, or if you're in Netflix or in an app, you'll be able to control it and navigate using these buttons. Over here we have the mute button. And we have last button. Last will bring you to the last viewed channel. Then we have channel down, channel up if you're watching live TV, volume up and volume down. And then we have these colorful buttons A, B, C and D. These will not work with all the apps or all the TVs. It's to access additional features for DVRs, cable, and satellite receivers or cable box. So if your device is compatible with these, well, you will be able to use them. But if not, you cannot program them to launch a certain apps like most people would want. And then we have a number pad in case you're trying to watch live TV and you want to input a specific channel. And you have enter over here. Some device will require enter to be pressed after you have typed your channel. So this is about it. I hope this video was useful for you. Please leave a comment down below if it was, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.